years, there have been many reports of black holes, and today we have an episode investigating black holes, starring me, Antonio Muniz. For I, Antonio Muniz, have collected information about black holes at the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum. Investigating black holes. Investigating Black Holes by Antonio Muniz, 6/7/2017. Scientists and people have been questioning the existence of black holes for a very long time. When a star explodes, it creates a black hole, another star, or a nebula. How do scientists study black holes? What is a black hole, and what is at the center? The best place to investigate black holes is the center of our galaxy. A black hole is not simply an empty hole or void in space, but instead a cosmic entity having very substantial mass. A black hole's large mass generates an equally large gravitational field, which scientists can detect. Sir Isaac Newton was the first to discover the laws of gravity. Newton's law of gravity states that two masses attract with a constant equal force. Years later, Albert Einstein proposed a new theory of gravity. Einstein's theory of relativity explains the nature of space and time, the way gravity works, and that the speed of light is the same no matter the speed at which it observes. Gravity is a force exerted by an object that attracts other objects. The Earth's gravity keeps objects from floating into space. In 1916, Albert Einstein predicted the existence of gravitational waves. Gravitational waves are ripples that distort space and time. They are created by massive objects colliding and tell about the early universe. In February, an international team of LIGO researchers became the first to observe gravitational waves. How do scientists study black holes? One way to investigate black holes is to watch they affect objects around them in space. Scientists find black holes using X-rays. Researchers use an Event Horizon Telescope, allowing them to see the area around a black hole. The LIGO Observatory detects and measures gravitational waves. The European Space Agency plans to send LISA, a laser informator space antenna to the center of our galaxy to collect data on Sagittarius A. Sagittarius A is a supermassive black hole located at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Scientists are trying to take the first photo of this black hole. It was first discovered on February 13, 1974 by astronomers Bruce Balick and Robert Brown. Sagittarius A has a mass of hundreds of different kinds of stars and is bigger than a sun. Scientists think it will look like a bright crescent of light with a dim interior. What is inside a black hole? A black hole has a hole or tunnel as part of its structure, but like a void, it possesses a number of physical properties as well, as some of which can be measured by human instruments. One reason black holes are so fascinating to people is because they are mysterious objects that trap light inside them. Objects that fall into a black hole are believed to be destroyed by gravity. Stephen Hawking believed these objects get out of a black hole and possibly end up in another universe. According to scientific research at the Smithsonian Institute is a place. A black hole is an object that distorts based around its most importantly, what lies inside black holes. No matter how humans try to theorize about it, it is ultimately unknowable. My experience at the Black Hole Discovery Station at the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum taught me about black holes. Here are some interesting facts I learned. At the center of each galaxy is a supermassive black hole. Stars can be identified by their fingerprints, which is the spectrum of light. Stars are made of starlight. It has to bend around a black hole. That way its light can shine for you to see it. There are many theories about black holes. Scientists study black holes to discover more about the universe that we live in. I like black holes because they are super powerful objects that destroy anything in its path. Scientists and people will continue to show an interest in black holes until they finally get the answer. I don't have to do this, do I? Oh yeah, that's also part of the bibliography. And cut!